If you have steering plate like this, and you want a steering plate like this, then you found the right video, because I'm gonna give you a few hints based on my personal experience with this G35. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes, when I want to work on this beautiful G35, but alive as well. Today I have an experience to share, which I thought it would be helpful for other people that might be in the same position that I was. Now let's talk about what makes up the steering system on a car, because once you know and understand how it works, then you could target specific parts that may be the culprit or culprits that may be causing your steering wheel play. Now I'm not talking about loose steering, I'm talking about steering play. That when you turn your steering wheel, your tires don't steer or don't respond to your steering. That's steering play, not loose steering. So it goes like this. First, it's your steering wheel, then it's your steering column, which connects to your steering shaft, then connects to your universal joint or steering knuckle, as some call it. Then it's your steering rack. After the steering rack is tie rod ends, which connects to the spindle, which hold the bearings that your wheels are on top of or connected to. So there you go. That is the basic of a steering system. I thought the steering system was something like super complex, so it was like very intimidating at first, but once you know it, a part goes bad, you're like, okay, now I understand why do I have a steering plate, and it makes more sense, you know what I mean? And little story time. When I bought this G, and it was stationed at a mechanic shop, and the reason that the previous owner was selling it was because the mechanic refused to fix it. And he recommended for them to sell it. And when I was leaving that shop, after I bought it, of course, because I have it here, the mechanic told me, hey dude, be careful with that car. I'm like, thanks. That was so funny. So I'm gonna give you 5 most common parts that cause steering play. So based on my experience, 1 is damaged pitman arms, 2 tie rod ends, 3 ball joints, 4 steering rack, which usually is the main culprit, and 5 the U-joint, the steering knuckle as some call it, and that was my exact problem. Not only did I have a bad steering rack, but I also had an extremely bad U-joint. You can see it right here. Yes guys, I was driving like that for 2 years, and I thank the Lord that he protected me and that thing didn't break. Now I really regret driving like that and not taking care of that as soon as I got the car, because that was like really bad condition right there. Now if you have steering play, I suggest you take care of that ASAP, because it is very dangerous to be like that on the road. Now if you find this information in any shape, form or way helpful, and if a part that I mentioned actually helped you with your steering play, please let me know in the comment section down below, because that's the entire point of me making this video, is to help other people that was in my same position, and I wanted to share my experiences. So if you like this information, please give me a like on this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and until next one guys, stay prayed up, God bless, peace.